Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best e-bike hub motor in this video? I will show you the top 5 best e-bike hub motor to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is electric bike motor. Specifications. Brand name, Kunting e-bike. Wattage, 400 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless non-gear hub motor. Power, 1000 watts to 2000 watts. Origin, China. Number 4 is ZUS XF07, XF08, XF15, FXF15R. Specifications. Brand name, Kuin-Ray. Design brushless. Rated power, 250 watts. Rated voltage, 24 volts, 36 volts, 48 volts. Speed, 25 to 28 kilometers per hour. Efficiency, 78%. Noise grade, 55 dB. Waterproof grade, IP65. Color black. Weight, 3 kilograms. Origin, China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Bafang G062. Specifications. Brand name Bafang. Model, RMG062.750.D. Wattage, 400 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless gear hub motor. Rated power, 750 watts. Origin, China. Number 2 is Bafang gear hub motor. Specifications. Brand name Bafang. Model, G020.500.D. Wattage, 400 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless gear hub motor. Rated power, 500 watts. Efficiency, 80%. Origin, China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have electrical bike gear hub motor. Specifications. Brand name, FlyCutieCat. Rated voltage, 48 volts. Rated power, 750 watts. Reduction ratio, 1 minute and 5.2 seconds. Efficiency, 78%. Noise grade, 55 dB. IP grade, IP54. Torque, 68 Nm. Position, front. Weight, 3.5 kg. Color, black. Certifications RoHS C.